This is one soup I can never get tired of eating. You call it white okra soup or you can call it oilless soup. This soup is not only good for adults, it's also very healthy for the children, especially when you are trying to start up solid for them. Making this soup is not difficult at all. First thing you have to do is to sort your okra, sort the ones that are very tender and not very strong, okay? And today I'll be dicing my okra in two different forms. I grated one and I sliced the remaining ones in chunks. The next and easy method is to get all your protein cooked until they are very tender. Feel free to use any protein of choice. As a matter of fact, okra soup does not require so much ingredient or proteins, so I allowed my proteins to be tender before adding little water. Making this soup, mind you don't need so much water. So after adding the water, I covered it up and allowed it to cook for some time, and then went in with my grated okra first, then went in with my onions and tomatoes and also my pepper mix. If you're not a fan of onions, you can skip that part, but just believe you me that onions enhances the taste. I added my deboned panla and mixed all of that together, adding salt and seasoning, which this does not require so much spices and ingredients. Mix it all together to combine properly, and then cover it up to cook for next 2 to 3 minutes, and then you go in with the chunky type of okra. Okay, I like to add my salt much later, just that it may not stop the okra from being slimy, just as I was told traditionally. So if need be, you can go ahead and add little water to loosen it up and also to properly cook your soup. After that, mix all of that together, taste for salt or seasoning, and if need be or not, you go ahead. We are good to go ahead and cook. Once I add my okra, I don't like to cover it. Rather, I like to just stir and leave the pot open until everything is well combined, just as you can see. Then I'll go in with the chunk okra. Adding the chunk okra is just as good as adding the vegetables, because right now we will not be cooking this for too long. Your food needs to be crunchy, spicy, and very much interesting. You can notice we didn't add any form of oil. That is what makes it oilless soup. This soup is so easy to make. Just like this, guys, our soup is very much ready. Add your vegetable and stir together. Once everything is properly combined, turn off the heat and serve. You can serve this with gari, semo, or any swallow of choice. This is very nutritious and very healthy. If you have a baby that you're trying to wean or introduce solid food to, please go ahead and make this soup for that baby. He or she will definitely like it. Today I served this soup with semo and everyone enjoyed it. Would you be trying this soup out? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like what you're saying? Mine came out so yummy, and I believe with this procedure yours will also come out so nice. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, eat good food, take care of yourself, take care of your body, because that's the only place you have to live in. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wait, so before you go, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment for me. Thank you for watching up to this point. Bye.